Hi, the Selfridges Ultimate Beauty Bag is here. What is it? It is a holiday collection, a curation that is often better than their beauty advent calendar and contains a number of full-size products actually. We'll see how it is this year. It looks like that actually, and it costs £125 and is available for purchase. So inside the first product, August and Pierce Saint Candle, 90 grams is all you get. Full size is 340 grams. So the very first product, not going to count it. Next from Axis Y, no, not the vegan collagen eye serum, you get the Sunday morning cleansing foam, 120 ml, that is full sized and retails at £15 on Selfridges. A number of Western brands are now including K-Beauty in their curations because K-Beauty is a lot cheaper if you buy from retailers who ship from Korea itself. You know, if you buy from even Style One or Yes Style or Style Korean or Beauty Net Korea or Beauty Box Korea or Jolse and so on. And there are websites such as HGN Beauty Wholesale, which is actually owned by Yes Style, where they can sell these products in bulk on huge discounts. So including K-Beauty in Western curations, boxes, advent calendars is a way of getting cheaper product in there and, you know, selling at even if you have a minor markup, it is fine. There is a way to net huge profits. I'm not happy about this. What they could do is have separate Korean curations. I think Boots recently did a Korean collection. Cult Beauty did a Korean edit. If you do edits such as those, you know, separate standalone Korean edits, it's fine. But including Korean products willy-nilly among the Western brands, you know, when you are selling at a different price from the price that the product is sold for in Korea, it's not very fair, is it? I'm not happy about this. Sorry. Moving on, the next product, Charlotte Tilbury, not the Beauty Light one. Hurrah! Pillow Talk Lip Plump Gossip. It's always either Pillow Talk or one of the eyeshadow quads or the Beauty Light one these days, isn't it? As though Charlotte Tilbury doesn't have a single other product. Anyway, you get the shade fair to medium there. And that is full sized and retails at £27. The next product is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant, 74 grams, retailing at £65. A product that we've seen a number of times in several beauty boxes, advent calendars, and curations. Next, you have a mini perfume, Discotheque Lola at Code Check EDP. 8 mils is all you get. Full size is 50 mils. Not going to count it. Next, from Gucci, sadly, not one of their gorgeous lipsticks, which I have reviewed on this channel. You get the L'Obscure Mascara, which retails at £32. While the packaging is gorgeous, a black mascara is possibly the least exciting products they could have sent from any brand. I would have been happier with a lipstick, you know, because Gucci makes amazing lipsticks, both liquid and bullet. And they have Rouge à Lèvres Matte, which is a more matte, soft matte finish, and Rouge à Lèvres Satin, which is obviously, as the name says, more creamy. I've reviewed all of them, including the liquid ones on this channel, and I adore them. Why could they not have sent something like that instead of a black mascara is my question. Moving on, Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer, a product that I've been meaning to try for a while. Sadly, you only get a mingy 10 mils. 30 mils is full-sized. From Laneige, you get the Bouncy and Firm Serum, another Korean product, people. And they only send you 15 mils. Full size is 30 mils. At least they could have sent the recent Glaze Craze lip serums. I loved them so much. I gave my grand the shade Blueberry Jelly. She loves it so much and wants more. She's already told me, will you help me buy more on Black Friday? I have a list which I will send to you and all that. That incidentally was slightly tinted, and it was a product that she was wearing when her previous carer said you look like a circus clown, and you know, all that controversy happened. Anyway, Gran now has a new carer with whom she's happier. However, I mean, she's very kind and everything. However, apparently the carer gets replaced each month. So Gran is a little worried about, you know, adjusting, you know, whether each person will be of the same standard or whether, you know, one or two will be a bit unkind, really. Of course, there will be close monitoring, but she's not very happy about the monthly change. So she's kind of asked the current carer if she can come back after her time off, you know, the next month. So we'll see. Anyway, so they could have sent the Laneige Glaze Craze lip balm, the lip serums, which are beautiful products and very, very, very kind on the lips in dry weather. And I'm definitely going to buy backups of backups for Black Friday. Yeah, very highly recommended. Instead, they're sending the Bouncy and Firm Serum, and that's even a mingy mini. Yeah, moving on, the next product is the Moon Glaze Faces Blush Stick in the shade 24K. That is full sized and retails at £23. However, look at that shade, people. That is not going to suit my skin tone. It's not going to suit more tan skin tones at the very least. And not everybody is going to be able to pull off that kind of bubblegum pink. It's Barbie pink, bubblegum pink, isn't it? Not everybody will be comfortable with it either, and even those who are will have to apply it with a very, very, very light hand. And I'm heavy-handed at the best of times. So this is not, I'm not happy about this. The next product is the usual Morphe Byliner Dual-Ended Gel Pencil Eyeliner in the shade Truth or Dare, which is black. You know your mandatory eyeliner or eye pencil in black. Yeah, £14 full sized and everything, but yeah, your black eye pencil or eyeliner. How exciting. Jumping up and down, enjoy. And if that wasn't enough, the very next product is the Morphe All Set Touch Up Powder Puff, people. £8 full sized puff, you know, as opposed to a half sized puff, which only is half the round, or you know, is only meant to cover half your face. For the other half of the face, you'll have to get another puff. You know, this is Selfridges. Why on earth are they even sending Morphe? I don't mind Morphe. It's just that why is it there in Selfridges? And why is there a powder puff of all the world's? This is the ultimate beauty kit. Yeah, an ultimate beauty kit. And that needs a powder puff. The next product is yet another mini perfume. Arabella Blooming Fire EGP 10 ml, full sizes, 100 ml. Then we have some hair care products. You were wondering where all the hair care was, weren't you? Here we are. Orbe Super Shine Mirror Rinse Glass Treatment. You get 15 ml, full sizes, 175 ml. Then you have the Rehab Dose Hair Oil, 30 ml. At first glance, I thought those were supplements. Yeah, doesn't the packaging look like that? Turns out those are hair oil capsules, people. That is full size and retails at £26. That's not so bad, you know, hair capsules, hair oil capsules. You can just take out one capsule. That's not so bad. The next product is the Hair by Simon Knight Cool Girl Belly There Texture Mist. This is 50 ml and retails at £12. Next, you have the Refi Brow Sculpt 8.5 ml. That is full size and retails at £20. Next, you have the Skin 1004. Yes, yet another Korean product. People, the Madagascar Central Arampool. You only get a Minchi 30 ml. I have this product and it is 100 ml. If you don't believe me, here you are. As you can see there, that is 100 ml. Even 55 ml is available for £18. Why couldn't they send even that, you know, on their own website? Instead, they're sending a Minchi 30 ml. Not happy at all. And you know that the next point, you know, everything these days is rather like my nightmare advent calendar, isn't it? Yeah, 25 ml is all you get. This is 75. They can't even send that. They're sending 25 and 240. Sorry, I know this is not the Boom Boom Cream. It's Delicious Drench. You're getting the Boom Boom Cream. This is 240 ml, which is full size. They're only sending 25. Next, you get the UK Lash Serum 3 ml, which apparently is full sized and retails at £38. Lastly, the Wonder Skin Wonder Blading Lip Stain in the shade Whimsical. That is full sized and retails at £18. So I'm getting 12 full sizes in here. Very quickly, price breakdown. Access Y 15, fine. Charlotte Tilbury 27, Dermalogica 65, you get £107. The Gucci mascara is 32, and that gives you a total of £139, and you have passed the cost of the box. The Moon Glaze Barbie Blush, Bubblegum Pink Blush is 23. Morphe is 14. No, the Morphe Liner is 14. The Morphe Puff is 8. You get £184. The Brow Sculpt is 20. The Hair Oil Capsules are 26. Hair by Simon Knight is 12, and you get 242. UK Lash is 38, and the Wonder Skin is 18. You get 298 values there. I just feel, you know, for 125 quid product, the value should have been around 350, 400. Yeah, it's not very high value, first of all. Secondly, I'm not happy with the number of products in here. Morphe Powder Puff, Boom Boom Cream, mini, and that too tiny mini. Using Korean products to hike up your value by selling them at Western prices rather than the price that you get them for from, you know, Jolse or Yes Style or Style Korean and so on. 3 hair products, one of which is a texture mist. And the full sizes are tiny things such as the lash serum at 3 mils, the brow sculpt at 8.5 mils, the mascara at 7 mils, the Charlotte Tilbury lip gassum, a plump gassum at 5.5 mils. So, you know, I'm not seeing enough value in here. I'm not. And I'm being very kind because people are telling me that I'm a bit of a killjoy. So I'm being as kind as possible. In my opinion, the Gucci should have been a lipstick. The Huda Beauty should have been a full-sized product. So should that Skin 1004. If you're sending something, send it full-sized. If you're sending something from Korea that you are selling at a markup anyway, at least send the full size. The Boom Boom Cream should have been Delicious Drench or Bomb Dear. And the 2 Morphe products should have been thrown away and, you know, something else sent instead. And the blush sticks should have been a more universal shade. That's what I think. For those reasons, I would be getting it. Are you getting it? Please tell me in the comments below. So very quickly, those are my thoughts on the Selfridges Ultimate Beauty Kit. Quite disappointing. There was a time when this was so good that somebody bought 2 of them, and somebody actually got it via this channel. They asked somebody else to go in store and buy it for them via comments. You know, all that was so exciting. I myself bought one and unboxed it for you lot. I think it was 2019, if I remember correctly. It was 2019. Those were the good old days, you know. It was so good. And now we're getting powder puffs and things. Ah, well. Anyway, so that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hype the video. Please do the subscribe button and the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.